Hello, this is Mr. Zhang Visa in Korea. Today's lecture is I received several of the questions from D2 visa holders and D10 visa holders regarding part-time working. But you must understand that it's very, very critical. Some of the D2 visa holders and D10 visa holders, they're confused about what is the internship and what is the part-time. So today I just make it clear to prevent any kind of, like penalties on you, right? The first one, what is the part-time? Part-time just allowed for the D2 visa holders, right? And the first one, you find the part-time work, and after that, report to your university, right? And the foreign student person in charge, the kind of person, and the person may apply for, the checking, the checking, and need a signature paper, and you need to visit to immigration office, and you have to the work permit for the part-time. There is a very important thing is when you choose and the company to do work, right? Work as a part-time. And you have to work at translator, interpreter, or the simple work. But what is the simple works? Simple works is excluding e-7, -1, the work, the field. There are 85 jobs in the category, and 67 the professional job there. So you cannot work at the E7 work field. For example, is marketing or sales, etc. Right? But fortunately, and translator and the interpreter and accepted as a part-time working. Okay, right? And the simple working. This is a very, very important thing. And but teaching English is one of the E2 visa fields, so you cannot work as a part-timer. Just a translator, interpreter, and simple work. Simple work is Korean word is 단순 너무, like a serving, etc. Okay, can you understand? So the part-time only allows for the D2 visa holders and find a job and a part-time job and report to your university and the international student person in charge and get her some of the signature and some of the paper, and you have to work permit at the immigration office. This is called extra work permit. This is a part-time. Okay, how about the internship? Internship just for the d-10 one visa holder and the work at e-7-1 visa and the field that I said already. There are 85 job category, and 67 the professional jobs. So if you just have a d-1, the job seeking visa, right? So first of all, you need to get a d-10-1, the job seeking visa, and after that, matching your professions on the your hiring companies and working field, like your companies, right? For example, companies, business. This is a need one of the 67 professional jobs. So in this case, and permitted through the facts, right? And you can work as an intern, right? Intern is very, very important. So only d-10-1 visa holders and work as an intern. What is the prepare for? Prepare for e-7-1 and specific and activity visa, right? Not for other purpose. This is a main purpose for the d-10-1 job internship. Through the job seeking visa is just for obtaining e-7-1 visa. Okay, let's change it. So you must consider that d-2 visa holder and d-10-1 visa holder. Okay, so in the work field, just a simple job, right? But it's a professional no job. For example, and the restaurant serving delivery, etc., etc. But this is one of the professional e-7-1 category. Such as engineer and marketing and sales. What is this? As a teacher at the foreign school and accounting, etc. So you may visit to visa in Korea, the visa in Korea 1, the YouTube channel, and you may check very detailed and the e-7-1 visa categories at least, and you may check that. So the d-2 and the d-10 need permission. Yes, need a permission. So d-2 visa holders, it just to make you money for the spending, right? That's why the immigration allows you to find the job as a part-timer jobs, right? Just for the purpose of making your expenses. It's just for the e-7-1 visa application. Because of the internship means is an internship allows for the d-10-1, but there is no internship. It's a part-time, no internship. This is truly different, right? So if there is something that happened and you cannot work, but you did, it'll make a very big problem for you. Okay, so d-2, after the permission, work permit from the immigration office, you can work at a simple job as I explained you. The d-10 one is that you have to work at a professional job as an intern. Intern means that you can work 3 or 4 at a month, and after that, as it shall be converted for e-7-1 visa. This is a purpose because it is a kind of probation period before actually making a contract and working with an e-7-1. This is a intermediate, is kind of process, right? Only work at a professional field with a d-10-1. d-2 with the part-time jobs just for the simple and a job. So if you work at a very simple job with a d-10, it is not allowed. This makes a big problem. And the d-2 visa holders work as their professional job, it is not allowed. Please keep this one. This is very, very important. I received several messages from the foreigners right now, so everybody knows it, but they don't like to keep this one. But this is very important. You need to keep this rule, because if you violate the law and you got the more than 400,000 and the fine, there is no way to change the d-10-1 anymore. Okay, this is a very important thing. Okay, so d-2, after the permission, you can do the part-time at a specific end field, the simple job. But the d-10 just ready for the e-7-1, the specific activity visa, right? So that's why internship is a part of our probation, right? And you can just make the better job before the e-7-1, right? This is a kind of process. So internship just work as a professional field only. This is a simple job. So d-2 cannot work as an internship, a field. Internship person cannot work as a simple job. You must know that. Okay. This is Mr. Jang Visa in Korea. See you next time with a more valuable information. And please and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye.